Hello and welcome to Fatema's Art Show. Today I'm going to be painting with tea. As you can see, I used a variety of different teas. I'm using watercolor paper. When doing this, it is best to use watercolor paper to absorb the tea. I got a photograph of myself and changed it into a two-color image. There are many apps that do this. I use Photoshop to change the image and I printed it out. I will put a link in the description box showing you how to do this. At this point I realised even though I used 5 different tea bags, it's starting to look like I only used 2. I finished off the piece by using a navy sharpie pen to add that detail, and it really made it stand out. I really hope you enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching.